Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Canva Pro Team invite link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and head over to google.com. From there, type Byte Swift Digital into the search bar and hit enter. Once you see the search results, click on the very first link to visit our website. On the website, navigate to the menu and select the option labeled Canva. Now, look for the post titled Canva Pro Team Invite link for free 2025 updated and click on it. As you scroll down the page, you'll find 4 Canva Pro invite links. Simply pick one of the links that works best for you. On the next pages, wait for the countdown timer to reach 100%. Once it's done, click Get Link. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your Canva Pro subscription. So that's basically how you can get Canva Pro Team invite link. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.